is this the end of Earth, Nails, and Tales? Or at least as we know it. So I just wanted to create a video and engage with you, my audience, and just really share my emotions and my experience and where I'm at with life right now. The last year has been pretty stressful for me, honestly. I just brought my third child into the world. We've been extremely busy. It's the most fulfilled I have ever felt in my life, with working on Earth, Nails, and Tales and also raising my 3 kids and being there for my wife and my family while still creating content, managing the garden, and still having a full-time job. It's just been a lot. And when I started Earth, Nails, and Tales, it was honestly just like a passion project. I loved gardening. Health and fitness is extremely important to me. Providing the right nutrition for myself and my family, having access to the best food and resources that I can get my hands on. It was all things that I was extremely passionate about, and showing people how to actually achieve this and do it, and providing my experience and my tips just evolved and became Earth, Nails, and Tales. It was a way for me to share all of this while also providing myself a place to deposit all of my information that I could go back and access and not have to relearn it again myself. It was a constant learning process. And let's be honest, everyone out there sees creators, sees YouTubers, sees influencers, and they all think that they make tons of money and that their lives are amazing and they can do all of these things. And I will tell you from my perspective, that is absolutely not true. You have to work and grind for every single moment that you get. It's not like these partnerships just land in your lap and you're making tens of thousands of dollars for every single video. I'm like barely scraping by on Earth, Nails, and Tales. I'm not making money. I'm not profiting from this channel or my experience at all whatsoever. But there is a part of me that wants to. I want to be able to make this my full-time job, put in my full-time effort, and create better content, be there for my community. But the time that I have, it just does not allow me to do that. So I do the absolute best that I can with the time that I have allotted, and I really feel like I'm starting to run myself into the ground because I put so much time and effort trying to make the best content, and I absolutely love all of the positive feedback and walking by and people recognizing me in public and coming up to me and saying, hey, your videos are amazing, or going to work and my bosses and my friends and my colleagues doing the exact same thing. Like, I absolutely love that. That is the best feeling in the world. But unfortunately, I cannot support my life with kind words and gratitude. In order for me to do that and continue Earth, Nails, and Tales, I need to start building a business behind it and start bringing in income and revenue so that way I can make this happen for all of us. So I've actually started working with a team with the little bit of money that I'm actually generating from Earth, Nails, and Tales, from ad revenue here on YouTube or our website, or the products that we create like our raised garden bed plans or our gardening course. We started creating these things in order to, one, provide you with the best experience possible, to actually give you premium quality content that is actually going to make you a better gardener and homesteader. But it also provides us the income that we need so we can continue to generate these ideas and build a business so that way we can get even better and make you better along the way. So now is the time where I want to hear what you have to say. What do you truly think about Earth, Nails, and Tales, the experience that you've had so far? Where do you see us going? What do you want to see? And do you actually see Earth, Nails, and Tales as a viable option for me to generate a full-time income and continue to support my family, this channel, while also supporting you? I'll tell you what I see for the future of Earth, Nails, and Tails, what I would love to do. I have absolutely loved creating this backyard homestead. From building our garden, the trials and tribulations over years and years of figuring out exactly what works. And now I've got it down to a T, schedule, a science, a matter of fact. And I really feel like that my background in engineering has truly helped me to figure out the systems behind everything that makes it successful and hammer down on those details. So now I just have to rely on my system, and I know I'm going to get success every single time. And I also apply this knowledge, this experience, my processes to our chicken keeping, as well as designing our landscapes and building the various pieces of infrastructure that we have on our property to create our backyard homestead. And it's my goal to use my knowledge, my experience, to continue and create more digital products that will guide you and show you exactly how to be successful in the garden and on the backyard homestead, but also provide consultations for those of you that want to either have one-on-one coaching sessions or even group sessions with other homesteaders and gardeners, and also be able to provide garden design consults where we will physically or virtually sit down together, and I will ask you questions about your goals, your desires, get layouts of your property, and physically draw your garden in every single detail and provide you the layout, the types of plants, the hardscapes, whatever you want. I can provide that for you. To me, this is the vision that I see for Earth, Nails, and Tails. And I've even got a 5 to 10 year plan that I'm not gonna expose yet, because for me to even get there, we have to build the business of Earth, Nails, and Tails. But my 5 to 10 year plan is all about community, all about bringing all of these people that are interested in living a greener, more self-sufficient, more sustainable life, and making your life less expensive, and building a community around you and your actual community is what Earth, Nails, and Tails will eventually be about. But for us to be able to get there, we have to build the business. So if you watch this whole video, I just want to say thank you, because I felt like I'm kind of at like a low with my experience with Earth, Nails, and Tails and my life right now, just figuring out like what is important. I love Earth, Nails, and Tails with all my heart. I've put over a half a decade of content out there in the ether, but now I just see it as I'm putting in all of this effort and I'm not getting anything back in return for the sacrifices that I'm making in my life for my family. And for those reasons, I think I'm really at a pinnacle point where I need to make a decision. What's the future of Earth, Nails, and Tails? Thanks again for coming with me on this emotional endeavor, and I truly hope to see what you think down in the comments.